Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to block incoming calls from private number on Android. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone icon. Click on your phone call icon right here. That's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your setting icon from the top side. So click on that. Then it open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on block numbers. That's going to take you right here. Now, at the point right here where you have or no, block call from unidentified callers, simply click on here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to block incoming calls from private number or unidentified number on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.